Hello and welcome to Festool TV. My name is Jose. Today I'd like to take you to the construction site. More specifically, the roof. I've prepared a little model. Here you can see what the situation would be like on a roof. We have a standard rafter, a jack rafter and the hip rafter over the corner. Imagine that the building on this construction site is very, very old. It's often the case that certain components have rotted. These then must be replaced. Frequently, it comes down to purely manual work. This isn't something you can order from a warehouse. Something like this is often produced on site. It depends on the situation. I would like to show you how to create a detail. More specifically, the hip rafter bird's mouth joint. This is the base point where the hip rafter sits on the corner of the sill. The situation would be that we have an old, faulty hip rafter, which we're going to replace by producing a new one. I'll take off the hip rafters so you can see a bit better. We'll be dealing with this design. We have a cut here, the horizontal cut, which the hip rafter sits on at the corner of the sill. We have these two cuts on the corner, which will sit here. That's the birdmouth joint. I'll demonstrate how to produce one now. I tried it out with the OSC 18 cordless accelerator. It's a powerful machine with a brushless motor and a Starlock Max fitting. The machine is very well suited for use here. I'll show you this using a small sample piece. I've already prepared it. You can see the birdmouth joint that I've drawn on here. This is what needs to be cut out. Here you can see the horizontal cut that I've already performed using the SSU 200 sword saw. Afterwards, this piece should sit just like that. As I said, I'm going to use the OSC 18 to perform these two cuts freehand. I'll be using the Starlock Max saw blade. It's very well suited to this application. We've got a long, relatively broad cutting edge. That's perfect for the plunge cuts that I'm going to perform in a minute. I'll just fix this here. Now I can get started. I'll remove the rough piece using a chisel. As you can see, it's working beautifully, but you can also see that we've generated a lot of dust. In a well-ventilated room, you could say that it's nothing to worry about. But we're often working with hard woods. When working on old buildings, there is often oak dust and dirt. Frequently, these are contaminated with droppings from rodents or pigeons. For health reasons, it is therefore recommended to perform the work dust-free. For this reason, we can also use the accelerator with a mobile dust extractor. The adapter attaches to the suction hose. Then I can attach the adapter to the accelerator as follows. The adapter turns until it clicks into place. Then there's a connection between the two. Ideally, you'd also have a Bluetooth battery. This turns on the extractor automatically, or you'll have a remote control. You can use this to turn on the extractor manually. Then I can get started. Now you can see a great joint. I'll show you now. We've got the horizontal cut and the two worked corner cuts. If necessary, you can tidy it up with a chisel or mortise axe. Now, this joint is finished. We can now insert the hip rafter. As you can see, we've got the perfect result. That's all for now. I hope that was useful. I hope you'll tune in again soon. I'm Jose. Thanks for watching.